Hey guys, today I have a JFJ Easy Pro CD, DVD, Blu-ray resurfacer. I purchased it off of Amazon for around $160. I have this DVD, The Muppets. Let's see what it does. As you can see, there's scratches on the disc, scuffs and scratches. You have different types of pads. You have the one that's sanding, and the other one is for buffing. So what we're going to do is use this buffing pad and place it in the machine. It came with the polish. And the buffing compound. So what you do, take your pad and put you some right there on the side. It'll be just fine. And you place it into the machine. Next, you take your compact disc DVD and you place it on the spindle and you screw this tab in. I have some microfiber cloth. It works really well to wipe off the residue. I'm going to try this one on the 20-second range. I have heard so many good reviews about this machine, I decided to purchase one myself to fix many games, DVDs, and Blu-rays that I have in my collection. You take your microfiber cloth, gently rub the disc, looks pretty sweet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.